Want to know how Japan managed its economic recovery after World War II? Following World War II, Japan implemented economic reforms with the help of the US, focusing on rebuilding its industrial base and modernizing agriculture, which led to its post-war economic miracle. Japan's economy grew rapidly, becoming one of the world's largest by the 1960s. Japan's post-war recovery is one of the most remarkable economic transformations in history. Would you focus on industrial recovery or agricultural modernization to rebuild your economy after a crisis?